But we begin tonight with a murder trial in Monroe County Court. This is the Pocono Report. I'm George Roberts. The murder trial for two Cresco men accused of stabbing an East Stroudsburg man in 2009 got underway today. And opening arguments reveal a lot. Well, News 13's Vanessa Freeman was at the Monroe County Courthouse today, and she brings us the latest from the Stroudsburg newsroom. Vanessa?
Thank you, George. Well, the defense for the two men accused of killing that East Stroudsburg man have a lot of evidence stacked up against them, but one of the men involved is still maintaining his innocence.
Ian Seagraves and Sean Freemore solemnly listened as opening statements began this morning. The two men are on trial for allegedly stabbing 21-year-old Michael Goucher 45 times after prosecutors say he was lured to a Price Township location. Goucher's family fought back tears as prosecutors read a song Freemore wrote, explaining in graphic detail how he slit Goucher's throat as he begged for his life.
Anything to the victim's family?
No comments. Evidence was such that we thought it made out a compelling case of murder in the first degree, both in terms of the physical evidence collected at the scene, evidence that was subjected to scientific testing, DNA testing, and also the evidence of the defendant's own statements as written and recorded.
Seagraves' defense attorney says his client has nothing to do with the murder. But not too long after the song describing the murder was found in Freemore's car, a rap about the same murder was found on Seagraves' MySpace account, talking about the murder from his point of view. Two weapons found at the scene also have Seagraves' fingerprints on them, and Goucher's DNA was found on Seagraves' clothing.
He was a prolific writer. He wrote a lot of songs and stories. They're going to be producing those as evidence, and big part of their case is that those writings were his, in essence, admission to doing this. Our position clearly is that all they are is writings. Alice Cooper cut heads off of baby dolls at concerts. Alice Cooper wasn't a killer.
During this week, attorneys say forensic investigators will take the stand to reveal more information about the crime scene. In Stroudsburg, I'm Vanessa Freeman. George, back to you.
All right, thanks, Vanessa.